Looking for a more natural way to recover after a tough workout? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to be telling you all about Cajeput Essential Oil, my go-to oil to help me recover after a tough workout. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use Cajeput Essential Oil, why it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. The reason I love using Cajeput Essential Oil after a workout is because it is so soothing. I love to dilute it and apply it topically to sore areas to help my body's natural recovery process. Because it's so soothing and a great cleaner, it's good for skincare as well. You can dilute it and apply it to areas of your skin to help keep that skin healthy. Another great way to use Cajeput Essential Oil is to support your breathing. When I have a cold, I love putting it in the diffuser, and I notice that it helps break down my mucus and makes breathing easier. Let's talk about how this oil works. Essential oils are made up of natural chemicals created by the plant. Cajeput Essential Oil is largely made up of cereol and terpenol. To learn more about these natural chemicals, visit our blog post all about Cajeput Essential Oil. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Cajeput Essential Oil, like all essential oils, needs to be diluted before putting it on the skin. Make sure you don't use it over a 1% dilution rate because that can cause skin irritation. This oil is best used with kids aged 10 and up. Children under that age can have breathing difficulties when Cajeput Essential Oil is used. If this happens, turn off the diffuser, take your child outside, and allow them to breathe in some clean, fresh air until those reactions subside. We don't recommend using Cajeput Essential Oil while you are pregnant or breastfeeding. And this oil is generally not irritating around pets, but always be mindful of your pet's behavior when using essential oils. Use this oil with the door open so your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. Thanks for watching and learning with me about Cajeput Essential Oil. To learn more about essential oils, subscribe to these videos.
Alright. Doing great.
Cool.
Keep breathing.
Yeah.